Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm just gonna show you how to make the most cloudiest slime I've ever got. All you're gonna need is a bowl and a mixing tool and PVA glue and activator and some food coloring, and the last one you're gonna need is some Model Magic clay. You're going to put a bit of glue Now I'm gonna put activator with some water in it. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna add Model Magic clay in here. Okay guys, hope you have enjoyed this video, and this recipe will surely work for you. If it is, so please give you a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.